I should not be teaching you this. I know that it is one of those tactics, one of those skills that when you learn this, man, and you find out that this works and you can literally get people obsessed with you, it's not as fun as you might think, especially if you're not ready to handle it. You're asking for trouble. So fair warning, use at your own discretion. Don't say I didn't warn you. Welcome back, my name's Dre. I help people master their journey, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 2 ways, a spiritual path and also a practical non-spiritual way that you can literally manifest people into your life and make them obsessed with you. So listen up, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a very powerful tactic. So powerful that I'm kind of reluctant to even say it. I thought about this. Man, I thought about this long and hard. I know that there are men out there that can benefit from this, and I also know that there are men out there that haven't put in the work and aren't on the path of being an exceptional human being who will take this tactic and possibly use it in a negative, toxic, bad way. So don't say I didn't warn you. I already warned you twice. So listen, man, if you're excited to get into this, smash that like button. Here we go. So first of all, spirituality. When you are attempting to manifest things into your life, man, I think it's pretty well known. If you get on YouTube and you consume any sort of content that is based around the law of attraction, the law of assumption, manifesting, frequencies that we can put ourselves on, it's pretty well known that the trick to manifesting is non-attachment, non-neediness. And I've made other videos about this, but it goes really deep when you're trying to manifest, especially that special someone. So I'm going to keep this simple for the sake of the video and just YouTube's restrictions. Listen, to actually have non-attachment, let me give you an example. Imagine a child. Imagine you're a child and you have your favorite toys surrounding you on the floor. Now, you will pick one of them up, okay, and you'll play with it. You'll have fun with it, okay, and then you'll put it down, and you know that that toy is there for later use, but you're good. You don't need it right now. You don't want it. You're not craving it. It's there. You know you have it. And whenever you want to play with that toy, it's right there for you. So I think that is one of the best examples that I can give people to truly understand what non-attachment is. Because I think a lot of people go down that road of like, oh, don't focus on it. Just don't think about it. Just pretend like we have everything. Okay? Especially when it comes with, that special someone, when you're trying to attract women and manifest attractive women into your life. It's just, I see guys do this all the time. They try to not focus on the thing that they want. Now, as a beginner, trying to do this, man, I think it just makes you more and more attached, because the more you try to not focus on something, deep down, you really want it. You really want it. That is the frequency of lack. You do not want to be on that frequency, because then you're really just pushing everything away. Anything you want in life. It doesn't matter what it is you're trying to manifest or bring into your presence, you're pushing it away. Okay? So think about that analogy. A child with his toys. That's what I want you to do when you try to practice this non-attachment. Don't try to push it away and not focus on it. Focus on it. It's there, and it will always be there. You're good if it's there to play with. If you can't find that toy, it's fine. It's fine. That's the frequency you got to be on. That is literally non-attachment. So that right there is extremely powerful. What actually happens when you are non-needy? Things will be attracted to you like magic, man. It is mind-blowing when you first get on this train and you see the benefits of doing this in real life. It will freaking blow your mind. If you want me to riff on a topic, let me know. I'll do it. I love seeing you guys just excel. And that's what I'm here for, man. Don't be shy. Hit it up in the comments, man. Now, as promised, this is a freaking lethal technique. It is so ninja, man. Okay, we're gonna talk especially just on the topic of women. How to make women obsessed with you. Now listen, this goes both ways, with men and women. You can use this tactic and guys will, it depends on where you're at. If you're attracted to men, yeah, sure, you can get them obsessed with you in a way. But if in a heterosexual way, if you're just trying to make contacts, you know, this will get people to, it'll spark their interest in you. They'll be like, you know, it's just like holding your frame. It's just like that. With women, disqualify. Absolutely, positively disqualify. This tactic, if you disqualify women, they will become obsessed with you because they are constantly wanting your validation. Women live on validation. I mean, if you don't know that by now, then you are probably living on validation and you're displaying beta feminine traits. If you're a man in life that wants beautiful women, that's not the frequency you want to be on. You want to be on the frequency of wholeness. Just a rock in your position and your frame. From that point, if you disqualify somebody in your presence, they will become obsessed with wanting to gain your value. It is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. That was one of the biggest things that just blew me away. It blew me away. Being out and about and the disqualifying element of being around somebody and just saying like, nope, don't want you, nope, too tall, nope, your eyes are too blue. Shit like that drives people crazy, especially women. So use it your own will, man. Be careful. Caution. Seriously, practice caution with this. You want nothing from anybody. All the things you ever want in your life are right out there. Just like the kid with his toy. It's there. Everything's there, man. You're good either way. You live your life. You are constantly developing yourself. That is where your time is. That's where your energy goes. And if these other things happen to fall into your life, then it's up to you to make shit happen. Now, with people in general, the disqualifying tactic, try it out, man. Comment down below and tell me if you've tried it in the real world. I love hearing about your experiences. Leave them in the comments, man. If you want one-on-one coaching, if you want to support my work, go downtown, check out the description. I also pinned it to the comments. Go to buy me a coffee, support the work, book a coaching call, man. I love helping you guys develop yourself every day. It's freaking awesome. That is my payoff. That's why I do this. I love seeing you guys just freaking excel. It is awesome. That shit makes my day, man. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow, man.